Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and connectivity. This lets purchases and downloads proceed without interruption. Once signed in, open the iTunes Store app and pause to note the interface. Search, music, movies, and more. Tap Search now to find what you want. Make sure to use Wi-Fi for large buys because cellular can be slow or costly. If prompted, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password to authorize the action. You search precisely to reduce errors, type the artist or title, then filter by category if needed. Once you see the item, tap it to open details. Use the preview button to listen or watch a sample because previews avoid unwanted purchases. When ready, tap the price and carefully review the confirmation dialog. This shows billing and file size. Confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. After purchase, the item begins downloading to your device. Once the download starts, monitor progress in your library and use the pause or resume buttons if needed. If a purchase doesn't appear, go to Account, tap Purchased, and Restore. This reconnects past buys to your device. If you encounter billing issues, open Settings, tap your name, then Payment and Shipping to verify info. Update as necessary. If downloads still fail, sign out of the App Store and sign back in, because re-authentication often resolves stuck transactions and sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.